Hi, this is Steve Stazak with Leader Speakers. And in this short video, I'm going to go over 3 reasons why people are not effective with their presentations. Now, these 3 things that I'm getting ready to cover here, which we teach in our public speaking workshops, are critical for an effective presentation. So the first part of your presentation, the first thing is, and where people go wrong, is with the opening of their presentation. The opening of your presentation is your title, and your title needs to be a solution, because if you don't get your audience's attention at the beginning of your presentation, you may lose them. So how do people lose them? Well, most people come up with a title something like this: improving communication within your company. Now, to make this more of a solution, we teach people to design a title like this: how improving communication within your company will lead to increased productivity and decreased waste. And you can see here where this leads your audience in your presentation, presenting a little bit of a solution for them. Okay, the second part of the presentation, this is another area where people fail to be complete. And this is where you actually, the body of your presentation is where you actually get the opportunity to prove your solution to the audience. And you do this with, of course, 3 or 4 main points. No more than 3 or 4 main points, because your audience will not be able to retain them. So I'm going to give you an example here. The first most important point will be your first point, and the one that I designed and the one that I came up with is how creating winning strategies among different management styles will lead to one cohesive unit. Now, to back this up properly, you need to cite a story or an example or an actual fact, like compelling evidence to a jury, to back this point up. So about 3 years ago, January 2017, I went out to Las Vegas, Nevada, and did a leadership seminar for the FedEx security managers around the country. There were about 6 of them in there, and the VP wanted them all to get together because they never got the opportunity to be in one place and exchange their different management styles, and they all came from different backgrounds. So at the end of the 2-day seminar, they exchanged their management styles, and they became, after the training, they became one cohesive unit. So that's an example how you would back a point like that. Obviously, your story or account would be a little longer, but the key here is to have where it happened, when it happened, who was involved, and what were the results to back up your points. Okay, the third part of your presentation is the last, and that is closing your presentation. This is what a lot of people fail to do here. After they give their presentation, okay, they've given all their 3 points and backed them up with a story with compelling evidence to support their points. They just end their presentation right there. And that is a mistake that about 80% of the people make when they're giving their presentations. What we teach people to do is go back and summarize or review their presentation and tie it back into the title. So it goes something like this. So today we talked about how creating winning strategies among different management styles will lead to one cohesive unit. And by improving communication between teams, you'll be able to streamline your processes. And by properly utilizing each individual's team member's strengths will lead to more efficient production, showing how improving communication within your company will lead to increased productivity and decreased waste. So after your presentation, you tied everything you talked about back into the title, which was your solution at the beginning of the presentation. When our folks go through our workshops and they learn this, they not only become more confident, but they also become effective with their presentation. So when they get up to give their presentation, they have a good idea how they're going to present it, and they have a lot more confidence as a result. Now, you can get in touch with us at email@leaderspeakers.com, or simply give us a call at 704-469-6055, and we'll be glad to give you a free 15-minute consultation on what we can do for your company and your folks. Thank you very much, and we look forward to hearing from you.